Hello guys, so welcome back to my CapCut video editing tutorial. So in this video, I'm just going to be showing the practical process of how to import your video to editing timeline and also how to cut and trim your video professionally. So with that, I'm going to be importing a video to my editing timeline. So let me look for the video. So this is the video I'm importing. So because this video is a 9 by 16 aspect ratio.
Digital age, the demand for digital.
So 9 by 16 aspect ratio is the aspect ratio for YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reel. So because this video is a 9 by 16 aspect ratio, it's not 16 by 9. 16 by 9 is YouTube, 9 by 16 is Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. So I'm going to be changing the preview panel. So to change the preview panel, just click on this button at the top of the preview section. Then you click on vertical. So it change the preview layer to like this. So this is just for you to have more convenient preview of your edits. So after that, then I'll drag and drop the video I want to edit. So this is just basically how to import your media and drag and drop it into your editing timeline. So I'm going to be showing you how to cut and trim effectively. So first of all, we have our video here, our raw video. First of all, we notice that this one, before you touch, there was a slight pause for like 1 second when you want to, for like 1 second of the video clip. So you want to make sure we cut off those parts. So all you just have to do is to place your editing on your editing timeline. There's a white thin line that cross over your editing timeline. At the part where you want to cut your clip, where you want to trim it, just make sure you place that thin white line at that part. Then you take your mouse to where you see the split button. So you click on the split button. For your shortcut key, Ctrl B is the default or shortcut for splitting of clips. So let's assume you want to save time by not just hovering your mouse to where the split button is. You can use the shortcut key Ctrl B to cut your clip at that part. Then you use your mouse to select the part you want to delete, which is this first part. Then you can right click and delete. So that's it. We've trimmed out the 4 seconds of our video. You keep playing. So after I said in today's digital age, there was a slight pause. So this is basically how to cut off pauses in a fast-paced video editing. So when you said in the digital age, there was a slight pause. You have to place your timeline at that point. So one thing you should also notice that you should also try to study this audio wave. So this audio wave is signaling for you where there's actually long pauses. So following the audio wave of the media of the video on the editing timeline, you can be able to know correctly which parts has long pauses. So once you place your timeline there, you click on split, move your editing timeline to the front. You want to start again, click on split again, and rather than clicking on split and trying to delete this part separately, you can just make use of this part, which is delete left. So delete left, you just remove all the light side or the highlighted clip. So just click on delete left. You see that the left part of the clip deleted off. So the shortcut is Q. So let's assume you don't want to use the key. You can just use the shortcut, which is just once you place it on your editing timeline, just click on Q. You delete all that part.
A demand for digital marketing is sorry.
So after I said it's sorry, there was another slight pause. The other part also, you are going to click on your split button or use the Ctrl B to split it, play it forward to where you want to start again, start another sentence. Then you use this delete left button or use the shortcut Q to delete that part.
Sorry. If you are a
So just keep playing your video where there are pauses, where there are parts you don't need in the video. That's just basically how to cut and trim your videos. So to add transition to your video, so transition is an effect that is placed between two different clips. To transition between two different clips. So this is a clip A, this is a clip B. So this part is where there's more like a joint. So the moment we've cut this clip, it's already giving us two different clips on the editing timeline. So at this point, you can add transitions. So to add transitions, just go to your media section of CapCut, which is on the top left of your screen. You see where there's transition. You click on transition. So there are different types of transitions you can use. There's the overlay transitions. You have the light effect transitions. It's loading. You have the camera transitions. You have the blur transitions. You have the basic transitions. Yeah. So you might want to use the light effect transition. So let's say you want to use glare too. You just have to click on it, download the effects.
page, the demand.
So once you download it, just drag it. You long press with your mouse, then drag it to your editing timeline. And if you don't want to do that, you can just click on this plus icon, then to add immediately. It's add automatically. So
Page, the demand.
you can see that light blur transition. So that's just basically how to add transition. So let's assume you want to use camera effect transition. You can switch to camera. Then let's assume you want to use pull out. Just click on plus button, or you drag and drop it.
Sorry. If you are a
So that's just basically how to add transitions to your video. Yeah, so guys, in this video tutorial, we've explained how you can import your media to your editing timeline and how to cut and trim your videos, and also how to add transition. So I'm going to be seeing you in my next video tutorial.